In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly in Notion. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step, so you'll be all set up in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, let's begin by logging into your Grammarly account. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to Grammarly's homepage. Consider this your control center for all things Grammarly. Here, you can access your documents, adjust your settings, and explore more. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space if you need to, but remember, our primary focus today is on using Grammarly with Notion. With Grammarly open, let's switch over to Notion in your web browser. For those who are new to Notion, it's an incredible tool. Notion offers a flexible and dynamic space for organizing your projects, notes, or essentially whatever you're working on. Go ahead and log into your Notion account if you're not already signed in. You'll simply need your usual email address and password for access. Once both Grammarly and Notion are accessible, we can concentrate on ensuring that Grammarly is ready to assist you within Notion. To integrate Grammarly into Notion, we need to review your web browser's extensions. Specifically, we're looking for Grammarly's extension. Check if it's enabled. If it isn't, click to activate it. This simple step allows Grammarly to seamlessly integrate with Notion, ensuring it runs quietly in the background as you type. With Grammarly active, you're all set to make the most of it within Notion. As you begin creating or editing a document in Notion, you'll notice Grammarly's helpful underlines and suggestions appearing. This proactive guidance helps you write with clarity and correctness. Don't hesitate to click on these prompts for more in-depth advice or to quickly make corrections. It's like having a personal writing assistant right by your side. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Grammarly for use in Notion. This integration ensures that as you brainstorm, plan, or execute projects in Notion, Grammarly's language guidance tools are right there to support and enhance your writing. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you'll enjoy the peace of mind Grammarly can bring to your Notion workflow. Remember, great communication is key in any project, and with Grammarly, you're always putting your best words forward. Until next time, happy writing.